1964 Ford Galaxie 500 convertible here at Unique, especially in classics. Actually a two-owner car. 352 V8 underneath the hood, and that is what this car would have originally been powered by. It's a 352. It's paired up with an automatic transmission. Let's take a look at the front grille, headlight surrounds, chrome on the bumper. Looks good up front. Also want to mention that this vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan that is included in the sale price. And it may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. 507-386-1726 is the number you can call in at, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pictures. See the chrome wheels. Cooper Cobra radials. According to the previous owner, a few new things on this new top, convertible top. We'll check that out at the end of the video. Fuel tank, rims and tires. Take a look down the driver's side. Black vinyl interior. That appears, if it could be original actually, judging by looking at it. Bench seat up front. Convertible top cover, or parade boot, if you will. Keep looking back on the passenger side here. You can see there's a few little kind of blemishes in the bright work, but not too bad. Nice car to get in and drive. Go to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. There are a few imperfections in the paint. If you can get that to show up, it's kind of just a, there you go, kind of a little bit of a bubble. And there's a little bit of orange peel that you'll notice on it, and I'll kind of show you on the driver's side also. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation too. Take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper. Dual exhaust. Bright work and trim on the rear of the car. Be able to see the trunk pictures and underside pics all at uniqueclassiccars.com. See underneath the hood, you're going to see it's equipped with power steering. As we take a look from the rear to the front, down the driver's side, again, a few little blemishes on the bright work. And up here, I could kind of notice in the right light a little bit of orange peel here in this fender. I don't know if it'll really show up. But, I mean, the paint still has a nice shine to it. Just want to kind of point some of those things out that I noticed. Try to represent these as fairly as we can. Take your time looking through all the still pictures, probably over 120 still pictures of this car online. Take a look at the seating area. Door panel looks good. On the rear, I did notice putting on the convertible top boot, a little bit of a kind of a seam, letting a little bit loose there. Again, nothing major, nothing that's going to stop you from having fun driving this car. Now, one thing the previous owner did note for us too, on this key fob, it's kind of like a safety feature, security feature. You're going to push on, and then we're going to go ahead and turn the key. That's how you start it. Notice fuel gauge comes up. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be up. Take a look at the dash. We do have a little more modern style radio here. I have not played around with that at all either. So I have not had the radio working. Door closes nicely, not much effort there. A little rumble coming out of that 352. Let's slip up to the front. We'll check out the engine bay quick, and we'll get the convertible top up, which is power. We'll check that out, wrap this video up. All right, underside of the hood. There it is. A little dress up on the engine too with the chrome valve covers, air cleaner cover. Again, 352 power steering. convertible top. Let me get that up. Check that out. And here's the top up. You can see nice fit above the windshield, nice and tight. It is a power top, works as it should. Put the side glass up so you could get a shot of that too. And this is vinyl, so we got black vinyl. Obviously a newer top. The rear window nice and clear. I've not noticed any rips, tears, holes, anything like this in this top. Gonna function as you need it to. If you need to keep you dry or maybe out of the sun, do that just fine. And you can see the side glass on this side, nice fit too. So remember that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email 507-386-1726. 1964 Galaxie 500 convertible. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures of this vehicle online on our website. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a red 1964 Ford Galaxie convertible. This is an automatic on the column. Our left turn signal does work. We do have the top down today. Nice firm shifts from that automatic transmission. Fuel gauge is working, showing 3/4 of the gauge. Temperature right in the middle between cold and hot. Those are the two gauges in this car. Our windshield wipers do function, as does the blower motor. We have a comfortable factory looking bench seat in this car. There is a little bit of slack in the steering wheel, not enough to make it difficult to drive at all. If I let go of the steering wheel, this car stays straight in the lane. Brakes are working well. This car corners the way it should. Doesn't lean too much in the corners. Nice sounding Galaxie. Take a look at all the pictures of this 64 Ford Galaxie at UniqueClassicCars.com.